Have you ever struggled with number system conversion in a test or an exam? What if I told you that your Casio FX991ES calculator can do it for you in seconds? Let's say you want to convert 1 to 5 decimal to binary, and that's base 2. How fast can you do it mentally? Stick around and I will show you how to do it instantly with this calculator. In this video, we will cover the basics of number systems and how to use the Casio FX991ES natural display calculator to convert between decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. And besides that, we're going to perform some basic arithmetic in number system. If you are new on this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, and I can promise you that you won't regret taking this action. And secondly, it's also a way of you paying me back for dishing out this knowledge. Thank you very much, and I anticipate your subscriptions. All right, let's dive in. Now, for us to get started, you press mode and then you press 4 to select base number. All right, and after doing that, you see a list of things. You have DEC right here, but by the time you check this place, you can see where my cursor is. This EC, so which stands for decimal. Then we have HEX, and that stands for hexadecimal, that's base 16. We have BIN, which stands for binary, and then we have OCT, that one stands for octal, base 8. Let me go back to decimal. Another thing you need to know is that your calculator automatically limits inputs to valid digits. For example, let me come back to this base 2 binary, and then I try to press 8, nothing happens. Let me press equal to, nothing happens. It's giving me syntax error, all because it automatically limits the valid digit. All right, now let's continue. So quickly, the second thing we're going to do is conversion from one number base to another. What you need to do if you want to convert from one number base to another, for example, let me come back to decimal again. I have 1, 2, 5, then I press equal to. Now let's say I want to convert 1 to 5 in base 10 to base 2. So what I need to do is to press 1 to 5, then press equal to. Then I still have 1 to 5. Now for me to convert, what I simply need to do is to come to this place, press on binary. Then the conversion is done automatically. So if I want to convert the same digits from binary to octal or hexal, so what I need to do is to press this. So I have it in hexadecimal. If I want to convert it from hexadecimal to octal, so I have this, my result in octal, that's base 8. So that's how conversion is done in number base system using Casio FX991ES natural display calculator. Now we'll proceed to performing simple arithmetic in number base using the same natural display calculator. Now stick around and I'm going to take you through in the next few minutes on how to perform this simple arithmetic using your natural display calculator. Given these digits in binary 1011 and 1101, if I want to add or sum up these in base 2, what I simply need to do is to input the figure. The first thing I need to do is to come here and press on this. And after pressing on this, selecting binary, I come to this place and I press the digits 1, 0, 1, 1. Then I'll press plus 1, 1, 0, 1. And after that, I'll press equal to. Then I have my results display on the screen. So just as we've done it in conversion before, if I want to convert this same result to another base, so what I need to do is to come to any of these. Let me convert it to base 10, and that's the result. Convert it to base 16, that's the result. Convert it to base 8. I also have my result in base 8. Let's continue with the simple arithmetic. We've done addition. Now let's do multiplication. What applies to addition, the same applies to subtraction. Now let's do multiplication, even though that also follows the same pattern. This time around is going to be in base 8. So I first select base 8. Now we have 1 to multiply by 7. Both are in base 8. So I click equal to. Now we have the results, and that's 106. So you can as well convert the result from base 8 to any other base of your choice. All right. Now in today's video, we've covered number systems and how to convert between bases using your Casio 991EX. And secondly, we've also performed simple arithmetic using the same calculator. However, before we leave the video today, if you have your calculator with you there, I would like you to try these simple questions. Now you can see it on your screen. 1101 in base 2 multiplied by 101 also in base 2, and put your comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to link up with you over there and see how well you've performed this task. All right, more calculator tricks coming soon. Do well to subscribe, and I can assure you that you will not regret taking this action. It's also a way of you helping us to reach more audience. And until we meet in our next video, bye for now.